What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, this one I want to talk about the leverage trades that I brought up in my previous video. I brought it up for very quickly. I always like to teach people about Margex, and I know some people are probably like, I don't want to hear about Margex anymore. I don't want to hear about leverage trading. If you don't want to hear about it, it's understandable. You don't have to watch the video. But in this video, I wanted to talk about my leverage trades because I feel like it is educational. Is it something that's high risk? Yes, absolutely. And I don't recommend that anybody that has zero discipline to invest in leverage trading, because if you are doing it this way, you are going to aggressively lose your money, because it's not about you owning a position outright. It's about you owning a part of a position and believing in it so much that you are willing to give up that entire position if it does drop by, let's say, 20% at maximum. And I say maximum because you can go a higher leverage, but the lowest leverage you can go is 5x leverage. So if you do not have discipline, or you need to work on your discipline, you either start with a very, very low amount, I mean like $1 or less, or you just don't do it at all. So please make sure you guys manage your risk well. I don't want anybody to get into financial ruin because they're trying to recover from some other losses that they had. If you're trading emotional right from the start, you also don't belong in leverage trading, because emotional trading doesn't tend to work well for anybody. It may work well maybe one time and you end up getting a breakout investment, but then you try and do the same thing and you don't know how you did it, and you end up losing all that money plus extra money that you put in. So it could be an addiction. It could be a form of gambling in a way if you make it that way. So please, please, please make sure you do your research. Make sure that you are disciplined, because I want people to protect themselves the best way that they can. But quick money tends to be very dangerous at times. So anyways, I'm going to talk about my leverage trades. I'm going to talk about me taking profit from some of my leverage trades that I made yesterday. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the link for Margex down there if you guys want to start trading up to a 100x leverage. Never recommend that, but it's always an option that's out there. Anyways, let's get into my portfolio here. If we don't know, the crypto market is overall, it's up at the time being, because yesterday at the same time it ended up decreasing a heck of a lot, and now it has kind of recovered a little bit, not completely. You don't see Bitcoin back up to 60,000+. You don't see Ethereum up at the like 4,000 mark or anything like that, but a lot of things are down significantly from where they were, not at the peak point, but at a reasonable level, right, that you saw it a week ago. But as you see that drop, you see opportunities. And I saw a ton of opportunities. I had about $700 that I wanted to invest into leverage trading. So I took 100 here, 100 there, 100 here, 100 there, maybe 200 in another place, and decided to, kind of go not all in, but kind of go into those positions with a positive mindset as I saw some of these lows. So if we look at my Margex positions, these are all the trades that I made yesterday. I have July 1st, and everything else after that you see June 21st or June 25th. That's there. July 5th, I think I said July 5th, all the way up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 investments. All of those 9 investments are positive, and some at a more insane rate, right? You can see here up 103%, up 68%, up 109%, 90% on this play, which is Jasmine Coin. You have 70%, 30%, 25, or sorry, it's 150%. You have 49% and 220%. Now, the reason why I'm talking about these plays right now, I like to teach people how to take profit the right way. Whatever your threshold is to take profit, you take profit at those levels. I always like to take profit somewhere around the 200 or 300% level, because then it gives me room to get my initial investment, as well as grab a little bit of profit and leave the rest that's in there. It's not taking everything that I own in order to own that position, right? So $700 can go a long way. I'll collect my $700 and I should have, a little bit over that, maybe 900, maybe $1,000, $300 over what I invested into it. But right now, we're not at a level to where we can take profit from every single investment, and we don't know how long they're going to stay up there because the crypto market is very volatile. And based on the different positions that I've been in, based on the different situations that I've been in, it makes sense to take profit around some of these levels. Now, for me, there's only one take profit for me right now. And I want to kind of preface this before I take profit within it and show you guys. I hate when I show my Margex positions because for some reason, now I'm getting superstitious. For some reason, every time I show you guys my Margex positions, it ends up going, kind of the opposite way within the market. And things look aggressively positive, and then it just goes the complete opposite way. So I can say maybe one out of every 10 times, I have one that just continues to flow. But in most cases, you're going to see that it does come back down, and it's at an aggressively positive state and rate, but it does go the opposite way every time that I somehow show it in a YouTube video. If I don't show it, then I can show those profits. I've shown you a ton of profits that I gained from Jasmine Coin. I didn't show you guys how much I was up at those points. There was one that I did show you that I was up, 300%, then 900%, then 1,000%, and I'm still up over like 2,000 or something percent on that play specifically. But let's see how this works. If they do come back, then I know it's YouTube, and I'm not going to show you guys my Margex positions as they are active. I will show them to you afterwards. But this will at least tell you how to take profit, right? So with Margex, again, when I'm up 300%, I see an opportunity to take my initial investment. You may say, oh, you can gain so much more. It's only $75. You can gain so much more. And you're right, I could gain so much more. But guess what? I want to accept my initial investment. I want to accept a little bit of profit, and then I can be happy with what I have in there because I know that it's all gravy. The reason why I was so happy with the drop in the liquidations that I did have within Margex is because majority of those positions I've already taken profit on. And if I've already taken profit on those positions, I'm up on those. Even though I lost what was left in there and I could have gained that if I would have seen it coming, it's very difficult to see it coming and dropping down. Cryptocurrency can be very volatile and can absolutely skyrocket, which means that you could have made so much money from the opportunity that was left in there. And I've seen that with Pepe. I did it where I sold my Pepe position for a 200% gain thinking, oh, well, it's a meme coin, it's going to come back down. I could have gained $4,000 from that specific play if I would have held it for just 21 more hours. That's what would have happened. So I was a little upset with that, and I started trading emotionally, and I traded Pepe again. I made money with Pepe again, but still, I missed a huge opportunity by not leaving money on the table. I could have taken my initial investment plus profit, left the rest in there. I would have made $4,000. If I left the whole thing in there, I probably would have gained somewhere around double that. But I wasn't looking for that either way. I was looking for it at least to take half. Anyways, let me show you guys what I'm doing here. So the only position that I'm taking from is this one, which I'm up 318%. As they do get up to a level of 200%, I will take my initial investment plus profit, leaving some in there. But let's go ahead and take from this. So we're going to close position by 50%, and we're going to confirm. And it's that simple. And now we're sitting with $38 worth of profit that is there. So what I've ended up taking is just looking at this, I took $37. So a little bit of profit over that. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that profit that I took there. And I try to do that from time to time just to collect my initial investments, just to collect my profit. I started with $21 into this. So $21 plus my profit is $18. Not crazy, but it is giving me my initial investment back. And now I can put that investment anywhere else that I want, if I wanted to. So that's basically what I do. Overall, it still says that I'm up 320% because it actually brought down the amount of wrapped Bitcoin that I used. But you can't tell really what that is anyways. I wish they would do it in a dollar form, but they do it in whatever the actual thing it is. So like you'll look at here, you'll see $193 in USDT. You'll see $50 in USDT, 50, 38 in USDC, and so on and so forth. But yeah, I'm just looking to gain my initial investments back plus profit, and that's the way to do so. Hopefully me showing these positions don't create more negative movement. I hope things become insanely positive. And even if things do run, you still have skin in the game. That's how I've always treated it with my whole positions as well as my Margex positions. So hopefully this video comes across as a good video for you guys and you learn a lot from it. You don't have to leverage trade by any means, but you could even bring this same strategy into your overall trading, because if you have short-term trading, if you have long-term trading, if you have things that you want to, collect your initial investment to now throw that initial investment into your Roth IRA or whatever, or just use that investment to start your investment journey and then take that back out and use it for whatever you want to use it for, like put it in your bank account and spend it on McDonald's or something. It doesn't matter, right? You're spending it on yourself while still having now an investment in the market, which is great. It's kind of funding your investments with these gains. Anyways, let me know what you think about Margex. Let me know what you think about these trades and taking my initial investments. Is it wise for me to do this? Have you had any success with Margex? Have you had any success with leverage trading or these type of tactics and collecting your initial investment? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.